How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another quant update. We finally got that dump we've been talking about for months and months and months on end. I told you guys if we ever go down into this purple box, it's a buy zone. We can see that with these Fibonacci's. It didn't manage to get down to 83 like we've been talking about, but it did get down to about $85. So that's incredible. It wasn't really a specific point that we had to go down to. It's just anywhere within this purple box that we want to be buying, essentially. And of course, if you're not losing the 1618 and you're already reversing from that point and reclaiming the 1 fib level, there's going to be a few things that we need to do today. But before we get into that, please like, subscribe and comment, as over the last months I've been talking about this dump coming and a lot of people just did not want to hear it at all. We finally got it. So in the comment section below, let me know if you're a doubter or did you believe that this was finally going to come. It finally did. If you want to learn how I was able to call this for multiple months on end, literally over 9 months, I think I've been calling for this dump, then send me a message on x.com or Twitter. The links can be found in the description down below. If you want to learn how to do this for yourself with confidence, I can give you the course or the one-to-one mentorship plan. With these options, you do actually get 3 months totally free in my Discord community, so you can gain confidence from all the other students in there. There's about 90 plus people in there. If you want to join that ever-growing community, it's not specifically a signal service, but it's a community where everyone's helping each other out, and a lot of like-minded people are in there. There are people that actually do share trade ideas, but it's not specifically that is in there. There's also investments in there. We're looking at a whole bunch of cryptos. There's probably about over 30 or 40 in there, so it's just down to read the information that's in there, do further research and see if that's something that you haven't come across before, or you have, and just that further confirmation that, okay, yeah, something I was looking at is something that the whole Louis crypto community is also looking at. So Quant, of course, as you know, is one of the top ones. As I say to most of you that watch these videos, it's not good to just put over reliance on just one coin. Again, if you've been holding Quant, it hasn't really done much in the last year plus now in terms of price. Like if we look at year to date, we're pretty much in and around that same area. So yeah, this is why you want to diversify the portfolio. More of that can come up if you do private message me, and I do teach you. But other than that, we have gone ahead and met these targets today in the last days, but I wasn't able to make a video for you guys simply because I've just been out in the Amazon just enjoying. It's my holiday, so why the F am I going to make videos every day? But anyway, what we need to now do for Quant is reclaim this golden pocket over here. You see the moving averages set up over here and the 200 EMA, so we want to reclaim that. And once we do actually reclaim that, you need to head up to the range high and then, of course, break through that 120 area to continue up to about 130 and then 150. But a lot of work to do. At the moment, we are just going to be using this as resistance. So all in all, essentially, if we do get rejected from this area over here, whether that's just right here or do we do come a bit higher, essentially what we do now need to hold is this lower band. So from the 1 fib level at 95, to this $100 area, we need to hold this area of support. So we are bouncing from there right now. Hopefully we do something like this and then break to the upside. Yeah, it would be gradual, but something like this essentially. Please do like, subscribe and comment. Again, any further assistance if you want to know how to do this, as I've been calling for this move to the downside for the past probably 9-10 months now, almost a year, that I've been calling for this dump, this legendary dump, and we finally got it. So hopefully you've been following along with the videos and listening and preparing for that dump that I have been calling for all those months and getting all that hate for, which is quite funny because it's now actually happened. So yeah, a lot of people are going to say you can't predict that, but I've literally been screaming it for the last 9-10 months. So yeah, we've done that very nicely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you want to learn how to do this for yourself with confidence, just private message me. All the links are in the description. Cheers.